everyone, my name is Ifat Batul and I am your chemistry professor for Chem 108. This semester I will be teaching you from home. We will be conducting our labs from home and believe me or not, it is going to be a lot of fun from home. This video that I'm making is to show you guys what we have inside our chemistry home lab kit. One of the important aspects in chemistry course is to learn lab techniques, get hands-on experience in lab techniques and lab experiments. But this semester we cannot go on site, so we will be conducting our experiments at home. I will upload separate videos on demonstrating how to actually conduct those experiments and some useful lab techniques. So whatever you guys need to conduct those labs are everything is inside this kit. For these videos, my daughter Ima will be my helper. Ima, do you want to say hello to everyone?
Hello everyone, and welcome back to the show.
Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so let's see what we have in our chemistry home lab kit. You will have a bunch of papers in this home lab kit. There will be a lot of report forms, so keep those report forms in a safe place. Maybe file them in a binder so that whenever you need, you can use those report forms. There will be a lot of other supporting information like periodic table, electronegativity table, solubility rules. So keep those safe and handy as well. You will be using those a lot. What I have right now in my hand is lab equipment in your home chemistry kit. We will be using this to check what we have in our kit against this checklist. So this will have the list of equipments and household chemicals. There will be another paper, another sheet that is safety rules for the Chem 108. Before you start doing any experiment, make sure you read these safety rules. For safety rules, I will upload one video for the safety rule. There will be quiz for the safety rule, and there will be a PowerPoint presentation as well that will help you guide how to use these household chemicals and perform experiments at home. Okay, so let's start with our lab equipment in your home chemistry kit. Okay, so the very first thing that I will take out from this kit is my glasses, and Ima has her glasses as well. So whenever you are working in performing any experiment using this kit, make sure you have your safety glasses on whenever you are using this kit. The kit have many chemicals in it, so keep your glasses on to protect yourself from any chemical splash. Okay, so the first equipment that we have in our list is 250 ml plastic Erlenmeyer flask. So let's see where we have that. Okay, here. So this plastic, so all the glassware, all the labwares that we have, they are made up of plastic. In lab, when we are in campus, we normally use glass labwares, but for home, we have everything is in plastic. So you will have this plastic Erlenmeyer flask. There might be some stopper and a tube as well. This is not the Erlenmeyer flask. So this is your Erlenmeyer flask. Can you please put it on the side? The next item we have is 100 ml plastic graduated cylinder. So let me see. Okay, so this is your 100 ml plastic graduated cylinder, and you have 10 ml plastic graduated cylinder as well, and then you need a large plastic cup. A large plastic cup is this one, is your large plastic cup. It have a lot of other chemicals, household chemicals, and some bags and other things, but this is the cup that they're asking, that you need a large plastic cup. Then 3 medium plastic cups. So here we have 3 medium plastic cups. There's a lot of other stuff in it, but this one is the 3 medium plastic cups. So you need to have 3 of these. If anything is missing, just let me know. Then you need 2 small plastic cups. So small plastic cups are actually inside this medium plastic cups. You can see these small little cups. These are the small plastic cups. Okay, and then we need a 65 millimeter plastic funnel. I saw funnel here in this big cup. So this is the plastic funnel that you need. And then we need a 12.5 centimeter round filter paper. So this is the 12.5 centimeter round filter paper. It is little banded, so that's fine as long as it is dry. So keep this filter paper dry and keep it in a safe place. So you need this filter paper. You need 6 small test tubes. So small test tubes are in this medium beaker, and and here you have your 6 small test tubes. Okay. Then you need 1 hole stopper with rubber tubing. This is the very first thing that we actually take out. So rubber stopper with plastic tubing, and then we need a thermometer. So here is the thermometer in this plastic wrap. So keep this in the plastic wrap until we need it. We need 5 disposable plastic pipettes. I saw those. Okay. Yep. Here we have these disposable 5 pipettes. These are the transfer pipettes for transferring liquid from one container to another container. So you need 5 of them. Then we need digital scale. This is one of the very exciting thing, and because of the fact that we were able to provide you guys these digital scale, we are actually able to perform these labs at home, because a lot of our labs require weighing. So this is the digital scale, and it is inside this cute bag, and I believe there is a cover. Okay, so this is wow, it's very sleek. So this is the digital scale, and its 2 batteries are these are 2 AAA batteries are there as well. I will make another video on how to use the digital scale and insert the batteries and everything. But for the check-in purpose, you just need to make sure that you have all these things in your kit. So you need this digital scale. And can you please put this back in the box? Thank you. All right. Then we have we need a baggie of small objects, which is rubber band, plastic bead, wood bead, and metal bead. So let's see, we have a lot of stuff in this large cup, so let's see which one is okay. Here is the baggie, and you can see that it has a rubber band, a plastic bead, a wood bead, and a metal bead. I don't see the metal bead in it, so I will go get the metal bead when I need it. Okay, but you need to make sure that you have everything, and if anything is missing, we will provide you. Okay, then you need cut and assemble test tube rack. This is also like a really fun activity that you can do at home, and if you have little kids, they're gonna really love it. So this one is a cardboard with the print, and it have instructions. When you read those instructions, it will actually help you make a test tube holder. After this video, me and Ima will make this test tube holder, and we'll show you how it look like. Okay, so this will make the test tube holders. And after that, so these are all the glasswares that we have, or the plastic wares for the lab. After that, we have our household chemicals. So for household chemicals, you will see all those chemicals or most of those chemicals in this large plastic cup. You need a mixture of salt and sand. So which is in this one. You can see you have the mixture of salt and sand. You need rubbing or isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol you have here, 70% isopropyl alcohol. Keep these chemicals away from the reach of kids. And then you need hydrogen peroxide, 3%. You have this here. You need dry active yeast, which we have here. Okay. You need bleach, which we have in this bottle, diluted bleach. And then we need green food coloring. So here is the green food coloring. All these household chemicals that you have, they are supposed to be used for the lab. They are not to be consumed or used in any food. Okay. The next thing is red cabbage juice that we have here. Red cabbage juice. Okay. Household ammonia. Let me see. So there are a lot of chemicals. You can actually just see these chemicals from here, and you will find pretty much everything. Okay. Then we have this baggie for the. There is something written here. Okay. This is for chromatography lab, and in this you have toothpicks, you have yellow dye, you have chromatography paper, so you need this bag as well. There will be a bag of M&M. This is not for you to eat or anyone to eat. We will be using this in experiment, so keep it for the experiment. We have a bag of this cloth. Keep this cloth safe and dry. We will be using this in experiment. There is one spoon as well, and there is a blue cardboard that we will make a spectrometer for experiment. Okay. There will be a ruler as well, scale. Okay. So these are all the things that we have in this kit, and we will be using these for our home experiments. So this is all for now. Thank you so much.